Types of houses. A house is a place made for people to live. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. Our house protects us from rain, heat, wild animals, thieves, and snow. There are primarily two types of houses, Kutcha house and pakka house. This is a Kutcha house. Kutcha houses are made using mud, straw, wood, stones, and dry leaves. These houses are temporary houses and are not very strong. While this is a pakka house. Pakka houses are made using bricks, iron rods, cement, etc. These houses are permanent houses and are built very strong. Pakka houses cannot be moved and are fixed. This is an igloo. It's a shelter made from blocks of snow. It's also known as snow house. They are used in winter as temporary shelter in colder regions. People who live in such homes are called Eskimos. These are caves. Thousands of years ago, people who lived were called early man. They used to live in caves to protect themselves. They even made houses on huge tree known as tree house. This is a tent house. Some people keep moving from one place to another in search of work, food, or due to extreme climatic factors. They make temporary houses. Tent house is made up of either clothes or canvas. This is a houseboat. A houseboat is a boat which is designed or modified to be used primarily as a home. Houseboats are majorly found in Kerala. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.